It's October 27th, and it's a nice rainy day, or misty day, so I hope the video holds out for us today. We're going to do a little recap of last week and show you the last finishing touches to our Lemoyne Star. And then next week, I will show you how to cut it down, trim the whole thing down. So let's go ahead and we'll get to where we were last time. So we ended up last time, we had trimmed our individual units. We had put, since we're doing 6-inch blocks, we put the 6-inch diamond in the seam, by the seam allowances. And we cut up and we cut down. And we put 2 of those together and we sewed along the long edge with the diamond point in first, because that's the most important point, and that's what we want to make sure is accurate. So once we had those sewn, we pressed the seams open, and now we're ready to trim. And this is where our video ended last time, so hopefully we can get it this time. So you're going to take your Tucker trimmer or any ruler with a nice 45-degree angle, and you're going to put it right up into the corner. Put the long diagonal through your seam line, and all we're doing here basically is cutting off our tips. But in the process, we're also going to do a little sliver trim to make sure this is a good 90-degree corner. So we'll cut up, we'll cut across. That's all our scrap, okay? That makes a difference. That little trim will definitely make a difference in how your blocks go together. Now you have all 4 of your sections. I've got 3 right here, but you'll see how they're going to come together. Again, we're going to do the same thing when we sew these guys together. We're going to make sure our points match. We're going to nest our diamonds in there. The back end is still going to be too big, and that's okay. And we're going to put him in there, and we're going to sew. Once you get that sewn, press him open, and you have a beautiful half of your Lemoyne Star. Your points match here, your points match here. And when you go to put the other half together, you're going to have a beautiful Lemoyne Star. So that's the basis of the Lemoyne Star. Next week, since I didn't have this all put together yet, next week we will go ahead and do a final trim since it's so big along the outside edges. I'll show you how to do that in more detail. And just a reminder, we're doing the Rapid Fire Lemoyne Star, and we're going to have classes the entire month of November. So if you are interested in learning more about the Lemoyne Star, please stop in and schedule a class with me. On the back of the instructions is a nice project. And if you choose to do that project with all the instructions, you'll have 3-inch blocks, 6-inch blocks, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. You're going to do every size of block that you can do with the Lemoyne Star. So it's kind of a fun little project if you'd like to do that. So until next week, we will leave it there, and we'll see you guys next week for a final trim.